Hello students, now we are going to discuss your chapter 6 MCQs. Which of the following statement about the autotrophs is incorrect? Now this is simple question starting. They synthesize carbohydrates from carbon dioxide and water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. They store carbohydrates in form of starch. They convert carbon dioxide and water into carbohydrates. In the absence of sunlight, they constitute the first trophic level in food chains. So the simple one is the C option is incorrect. Which of the following group of organism food material is broken down outside the body and absorbed? Outside digestion we are talking, so it is yeast, mushroom and bread mold. But before answer you have to read all the options, that will be more beneficial. Select the correct statement. Heterotrophs do not synthesize their food. Heterotrophs utilize solar energy for photosynthesis. Heterotrophs synthesize their own food. Heterotrophs are capable of converting carbon dioxide and water into carbohydrates. You have to just tell the correct statement. Now we know that heterotrophs are dependent on autotrophs, so it will be A. Which is the correct sequence of parts in human alimentary canal? So for this you must remember the diagram in your mind, that which is the correct, starting from mouth, then the esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. So mouth, stomach, small intestine, mouth, stomach, it is wrong, mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine. So D option will be there. Next question number 5 we will see. If salivary amylase is lacking in the saliva, which of the following event in the mouth cavity will be affected? Now salivary amylase is the enzyme which is secreted in our mouth, so the activity which will be affected will be the starch, because the digestion of starch, or you can say carbohydrate, starts in our mouth. The inner lining of stomach is protected by one of the following from hydrochloric acid. Choose the correct one. So inner lining of stomach is there to protect our inner lining from the HCl which is released in the stomach. So the mucus layer is there which is used by the stomach to protect it from the HCl. Which part of alimentary canal receives bile from the liver? So it is small intestine. A few drops of iodine solutions were added to rice water. The solution turned black in color. This indicates that the rice water contains starch. In which part of the alimentary canal food is finally digested? So it is small intestine where the food is finally digested. Choose the function of the pancreatic juice from the following. Now pancreatic juice, trypsin digests protein and lipase carbohydrate, wrong. Trypsin digests emulsified fats, wrong. Trypsin and lipase digest fats, wrong. Trypsin digests protein and lipase emulsified fats. So this is the correct option in case of the question number 10. When air is blown from mouth into a test tube containing lime water, the lime water turns milky due to the presence of, simple one, it is carbon dioxide. Next is question number 12. The correct sequence of anaerobic reaction in case of yeast. So in the yeast, anaerobic reaction is taking place and the correct sequence will be your D option. Glucose breakdown to pyruvate in cytoplasm, then pyruvate broken down to ethanol and carbon dioxide. Which of the following is most appropriate for aerobic respiration? Now the aerobic respiration is the complete breakdown is there. So you must remember that in the complete breakdown, glucose, cytoplasm, pyruvate, energy, mitochondria, CO2, H2 plus energy. So this D option will be there. And next is 14th. Which of the following statement are true about respiration? During inhalation, ribs move inward and diaphragm is raised. Inhalation means you are breathing in. In alveoli, exchange of gases takes place, that is oxygen is formed, and hemoglobin has greater affinity for carbon dioxide than oxygen, wrong. Alveoli increase surface area for exchange of gases. So the question option 2 and 4, that means your option D will be the correct explanation. Then which is the correct sequence of air passing through inhalation? So the air is going firstly to nostril, then pharynx, larynx, trachea and alveoli. So the D option will be the correct option. During respiration, exchange of gases takes place in where the exchange of gases is taking place? It is the alveoli of lungs. So it will be the B option. Next is question number 17. Which of the following statement is true about heart? That means Left atrium receive oxygenated blood from different parts of the body, while right atrium receive deoxygenated blood from lungs. Left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood to different body parts, while right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood to lungs. Left atrium transfer oxygenated blood to right ventricle, which is sent at different parts, and right atrium receives. Now in this, the option C will be there. That means 2 and 4. Left ventricle pumping blood to different parts of the body, pure blood, and fourth is right atrium received deoxygenated blood from the different parts. So the option C will be there. It's 2 and 4. Which prevents backflow blood inside the heart during contraction. So when we say backflow blood, it is the valves in the heart which is protecting. Single circulation blood flows through the heart only once during one cycle of passage through the blood. It is exhibited by, that means only one time it is happening. It is happening in hippocampus, exocutius and anabas. This is important. You just remember these names. In which of the following vertebrate groups heart does not pump blood in different parts of the body? So in this case, Pisces only. And then the question number 21, choose the correct statement that describe arteries. So if you will read, you will find that the correct statement is they have thick elastic walls without valves. Inside blood flows under pressure and carry blood away from the heart to different parts of the body. Veins have the valves and they are thin walled because the pressure is low in the veins. The filtration unit of kidney is also called. Now in this there is a confusion generally students face, neurons and nephrons. So neurons are nerve cells and nephrons is there. So filtration unit is nephron. Oxygen liberated during photosynthesis comes from. Now this you remember, photolysis of water. So always remember oxygen is released because of the photolysis of water is there. Question number 24, the blood leaving the tissue becomes richer in. When the blood leaving the tissue, it becomes rich in what? Carbon dioxide. Which of the following is incorrect statement? Organisms grow with time. Organisms must repair and maintain their structures. Movement of molecule does not take place among cell. Energy is essential for life. So movement of molecule does not take place among cells. This is the incorrect. The internal energy reserve in autotrophs is, when we say internal energy reserves in autotroph is starch, in our case it is glycogen. Which of the following equation is the summary of photosynthesis? So when we say summary of photosynthesis, it is 6 CO2, then 12 H2O, chlorophyll will be there, sunlight will be there, C6H12, carbon dioxide. Remember that 6 molecules of water we have to show. So the option C is there. And option D is also the same. Choose the event that does not occur in photosynthesis. Absorption of light by reduction of carbon dioxide, oxidation of carbon to carbon dioxide, and conversion. So which is not oxidation reaction, that means C option is wrong. Next is question number 20. Opening and closing of stomata, pore depends upon. Now question number 29 is water in guard cells, C option. Choose the forms in which most plant absorb nitrogen. Now when we say most plant absorb nitrogen, it is 2 and 3. That means nitrates and nitrites and urea. So 2 and 3 will be B option. Question number 31. Which is the first enzyme to mix with food in digestive? It is in your mouth, that is amylase. Which of the following statement is correct? That means pyruvate can be converted into ethanol and carbon dioxide by yeast. Fermentation takes place in aerobic bacteria. Fermentation takes in mitochondria. Fermentation is forms of anaerobic respiration. So it is 1 and 4 are correct only. That means 1 and 4, that is C option. Next is lack of oxygen in muscles leads to the cramps among cricketers. This result is due to the when the lactic acid formation is there. So that means conversion of pyruvate to lactic acid. So you have to see D option. Choose the correct path of urine in our blood. So kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. So kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. It will be C option. Question number 35. During deficiency of oxygen in tissue, human beings pyruvic acid is converted into lactic acid in the. So when the deficiency of oxygen in tissue is there, it is converted to lactic acid in which organ? It is cytoplasm of the cell. So this completes your 6th chapter MCQ exemplary given by NCERT, which are very important. Next I will upload the video for the chapter 10. Thanks for watching.